Fix blurry AI images in Gemini.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry photos using AI in just a few seconds. First, open Google Gemini in your web browser. Once you're on the Gemini page, click the Upload button. Select the blurry image that you want to improve. After uploading the image, you'll need to enter a prompt that tells Gemini how to enhance the photo. You can use a prompt like this: enhance and restore this blurry image. Remove blur and noise, sharpen details, improve lighting and contrast, and upscale the image to high resolution while keeping it natural and realistic. Then send the prompt and wait a few seconds while Gemini processes the image. Once it's finished, you'll see a clearer and sharper version of your photo. If you want even better quality, you can try another prompt like this: upscale this image to 4K resolution, restore lost details, sharpen edges, and reduce noise. This will produce a cleaner, high-definition version of your image. And that's it. That's how you can fix blurry photos using AI for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.